This is a quick tutorial to help you install Toto on Windows. All the links which are used are available in the video description. The first step is to access GitHub to clone and pull the repositories Toto and TotoView. In GitHub Desktop, go to File and Clone Repository. Select the URL option. In Calypso Science GitHub page, access Toto repository. Click in code and copy the URL and paste in GitHub Desktop. After cloning Toto, repeat the same process with TotoView. Copy the URL and paste in GitHub Desktop. Now that you have both repositories, Toto and TotoView, let's install using the command prompt. Locate the directory that you have just created. You need to make sure you have Python version 3 available. Navigate to the base root of Toto and execute the command to install Toto requirements. Now, install Toto. Once you have installed Toto, you can do a quick test. Now, under TotoView directory, install TotoView requirements. After that, install TotoView. To open TotoView, type Python space totoview.py. Get started on Toto for free or contact us for more information.